In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in Figma Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the crop controls, how to adjust the frame, and how to finalize a clean professional crop without affecting your original image. Start by heading to Figma and opening the home view. You can use the desktop app or your browser, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed in and in the Slides workspace so you can access your decks easily. If you don't see your files right away, use the search bar or the recent section to find what you're working on. Next, open the slide deck that contains the image you want to crop. Give the file a second to load, especially if it's a larger presentation. Once you're in, you'll see your slides listed in the film strip on the left and the main canvas in the center. Now, click the slide that has the image you want to adjust. This brings the slide onto the canvas so you can work on it directly. If there are multiple images on the slide, click the one you want to crop to select it. It helps to zoom in a bit so you can make precise edits and keep important details inside the frame. With the image selected, look to the right-hand toolbar, find the image section, and click the crop icon. This switches you into crop mode. You'll see a bounding frame and handles around the image, indicating that you can now adjust what's visible. Crop the image by dragging the handles. Use the corners to scale the frame proportionally, or drag the side handles to tighten just the width or height. You can also click and drag the image inside the frame to reposition it, making sure the subject is well centered or aligned with your layout. Aim to keep key elements away from the very edge of the frame so nothing looks cramped. If the image looks blurry when you zoom in, consider cropping a bit less to maintain clarity. You can zoom in while cropping to make cleaner, more precise adjustments, and zoom out to check the overall balance on the slide. When you're happy with the result, click outside the image or switch tools to exit crop mode. Your crop is non-destructive, so you can come back to the crop icon anytime to refine it. Figma saves changes automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to do. And that's it. You went to Figma Home, opened your deck, selected the right slide, used the crop tool in the right sidebar, adjusted the frame, and finished with a neatly cropped image in Figma Slides.